Hi everyone, I'm Vandana from Immigration Advisors New Zealand, making this video to let you all know what is changing in ANZSCO. So you would have heard that Immigration New Zealand, Statistics New Zealand is changing ANZSCO and replacing it with National Occupation List in few months from now. So what is it? How will that impact you? What kind of applications will be impacted is what I will tell. So ANZSCO is Australia and New Zealand standard classification of occupation. This is the list of occupation that both New Zealand and Australia use for determining the skill levels of occupations for work visa, for residence visa. Now, Immigration New Zealand will be following a new list which will be called a National Occupation List, and this will have the skill levels listed differently. So who all will be impacted? Accredited employer work visa holders, because the skill level determines the length of visa they will get, it determines the maximum continuous stay that they will get, and the skill levels also determine whether partners can get visitor visa, whether partners can get work visa, or whether partners are not eligible for any visa. So all these categories will be impacted with the new National Occupation List when it's implemented. Apart from this, residence applications, so whether you can claim your skilled work experience or not, whether your occupation or your job offer is skilled or not, again is determined by the skill level which is followed as the ANZSCO for now. So when the new National Occupation List is introduced, the residence applications will also be impacted, and they have to then be aligned with the new list that the Immigration New Zealand will follow. So please stay tuned. We will keep you updated on what are the changes coming in this list when this list is introduced. So do stay tuned, because all these categories may be impacted with this change. Thank you.